GMB.
GMB is, I think, good morning breakfast.
Good morning breakfast? Perfect. Because I didn't have breakfast and I slept the whole ride, we're here at GMB breakfast to have some Northern Indian cuisine.
This is the wheat flour
Okay.
and puff stuffed with the potato and lantern with lots of spices. And now he's going to deep fry.
Agra is famous for this breakfast.
For this breakfast, this is a typical Agra breakfast. The whole India knows about it. So the badai and the potato curry, potato with the curry and lots of spice. Two for you, two for me. Curry is always go with something, with the rice or with the bread or with the naan. So we'll break this, badai.
Hot.
We love hot.
Always.
All food are served hot.
Yeah.
Fix it.
Okay. So this is like a chickpea bread.
Oh yeah. The lanterns, spices.
I haven't had bread like this yet. So this here.
This
Agra.
is Agra. Agra is famous for it. This is called badai sabji. Sabji is vegetable curry. So Agra is famous for it. This is coated cheese. See here.
Yeah, they call it cheese right there. Wow. It is delicious. A tiny spice, like
Yeah.
a tiny bit. Okay, they call it cheese.
Potato is here king of vegetables.
Yeah?
Whatever curry we have mostly, they have potato.
So always potato.
Always potato. Every Indian like to finish their food with a sweet. So in breakfast today we have a sweet called jalebi. The jalebi is a white flour deep fried in oil and then dipped in a sugar. So this comes jalebi. It's very sweet and very lovely.
Alright, so I've eaten it about 3 times, but I can't get enough of this. So it's fried dough with concentrated sugar. It tastes almost like honey, but it's definitely concentrated sugar. Oh my god. Crunchy, sweet, and delicious. It's all for you, man.
Okay, saffron's right there.
This is called masala tea. In India, when tea came to India, we got different version. We mixed milk in it. So it's called masala tea. We have clove in it, cardamom in it, and some other spices.
It's really hot, probably boiling. Alright, we have to wait a few minutes.